mhodlediad heno. Diolch yn fawr iawn am wrando. Hello and welcome back to my podcast tonight. Thanks very much for listening. O, rydyn ni hanner ffordd yno. O, we're halfway there. O, yn byw ar weddi. O, living on a prayer. Cyfres 4 a phenod 92. Series 4 and episode 92. Fedrwn I Ddim Dysgu. I could not learn. Good evening, everyone. Noswaith dda bawb. Helo a chroeso. Chroeso has become chroeso. Okay, the conjunction and causes aspirate mutation and 3 letters. Yes, you know they are P, T and C in it. Yep, they aspirate mutate. They have a H put on. So C becomes CH, T becomes TH and P becomes PH. In this case, C, chroeso, has become chroeso after the conjunction. And, okay, moving on. On chroeso and all the mhodlediad. Podlediad has become mhodlediad after the first person singular possessive pronoun, meaning my, FY, v, causes nasal mutation. 6 letters and beginning with an M or an N. Diolch yn fawr. Okay. Mawr has become fawr. Soft mutation, treiglad meddwl, after the adverbial particle use of and turning an adjective into an adverbial phrase by the looks of it. Mawr become fawr. M to an F. Soft mutation. And diolch yn fawr iawn am wrando. So am wrando. Grando, to listen, verb noun has become rando. The G has dropped. Soft mutation after the key preposition am, which generally means for or about. But as we noticed the other night, can mean what, as in am lanas, what a mess. So that's what it means, like an expression of shock. I don't know what you want to call it. Am lanas, what a... I don't know what we called it. Exclamation, is it? Not sure. But you get the idea. And the key prepositions that cause soft mutation like that are am, are, at, all beginning with A. Dandrostrui, all beginning with D. Tantrostrui, beginning with T. And then gan, heb, heed, and E, O, wrth. So all prepositions causing soft mutation. What else have we got in there? Mutations. Weddi has become weddi. Prayer after the key preposition are. Am, are, at. Yeah, second one. The second key preposition. That's what's happened there. The G has dropped. Weddi to weddi. Prayer. Cyfres 4 a phenod. Phenod has become phenod. Aspirate mutation after the word a again. And Fedrwn. Medru has become Fedrwn. Soft mutation because we're using it in the negative. Construction, short form, negative, soft mutation. And dim has become them because it's the object of the short form verb. So that's taking the soft mutation where dusky did it yesterday, but once you bring dim in there, dim becomes them. So you get negative ones. That takes the soft mutation, and the verb noun generally goes unmutated after that. So we got... that's it for mutations. Whoa, crikey. Right, verb nouns, moving on. Let's do the table actually. Conditional, mood, we're on periphrastic, it was in medru, same as yesterday, but we're doing the negative now. So as I've just said, we've got dim and becomes them in there, and we soft mutate the inflected short form verb at the beginning as well. So, Fedrwn I Ddim Dysgu. I could not learn. Fedra ti ddim dysgu. You could not learn. Fedrai fe ddim dysgu. Fedrai fo ddim dysgu. Fedrai hi ddim dysgu. He, she, it could not learn. Fedrwn ni ddim dysgu. We could not learn. Fedrwch chi ddim dysgu. You, plural, polite, formal, could not learn. Fedrwn nhw ddim dysgu. They could not learn. Okay. New verb nouns for today then. New words that we can use. Got a few hundred of these now. all good top verbs. Noddy, note, jot, mark, that kind of thing. Datblygu, develop. Llwyddo, succeed, prosper, flourish. Gwadi, deny, disown, disclaim, disavow. Sefydlu, establish. There you go, sentences for them. In this tense, I think they are for today, yes. Fedrwn I Ddim Dysgu, I could not note. Fedri ti ddim datblygu, you could not develop. Fedrwn I ddim llwyddo, we could not succeed. Fedran nhw ddim gwadu, they could not deny. Fedrai hi ddim sefydlu, she could not establish. That's what you got. Got some more of these games at the end there with the nouns, so I'm basically I've took you through in the previous lesson parts of the body and clothes items that are feminine and both genders, and playing little games so you're getting used to the mutations that happen with een, die, tree, and the feminine forms of them, and pedwar, etc. Pedair, tair, dwy. And the word the and this, what happens, what mutations with that. And what happens to adjectives after the singular feminine nouns as well. So we're getting used to them with these little games in there. So if you've not checked it out yet, do it. It's good practice. Yeah, take you through the face, parts of the face that are feminine in both genders as well. So you get used to, as I said, we do more work on them now. And then it sinks in. So you guess masculine because there's more of them anyway, but all the feminine ones we do a lot more work on, so they become second nature. That's the idea. Right, moving on to the listening exercise. We've got Fedrwn I ddim byw heb y geg, dwy wefus a dwy glist. I could not live without the mouth, 2 lips and 2 ears. Allwn I ddim byw heb y en, 2 foch a 2 ffroen. I could not live without the chin, 2 cheeks and 2 nostrils. Mae rhannau o'r corff benywaidd yn cynnwys y frest, 2 ysgwydd, 2 fraich, 2 law, 2 glin a 2 fer. Feminine body parts include the chest, 2 shoulders, 2 arms, 2 hands, 2 hips and 2 ankles. Ail, llygad, coes, penglin, penelyn, troed. Y rhain yw rhannau sy'n perthyn i'r 2 rhyw. Eyebrow, eye, leg, knee, elbow, foot. These are the parts that belong to both genders. And we're out of time. Ta-ra.